Hi, Don here at SnapItUpCanada.com. Looking for a super great projector with sound? I have a very nice ELMO ST1200. Mint condition, top to bottom. Good God, this is a good projector. We did change the belt on the back, the main motor drive belt. A lot of features on this projector. It's just a superb projector all the way around. But enough of the talking, let's see how it plays. Looks good, but what's it doing on the screen? This is one of ELMO's top-of-the-line projectors. So it's the ELMO ST1200. Don here, SnapItUpCanada.com. Thanks for looking.